viewers to another brand new episode of At Ease No Media, where we discuss media related topics at ease, and you are watching the series Indian Press Law. This is the 14th episode where we will be talking about sedition. So let's move on to the screen. Hello and welcome. So today in this video we will be talking about sedation. Now, what is sedation?
According to section 124A of Indian Penal Code, whoever by words either written or spoken or by signs or by visual representation or otherwise brings to attain to bring into hatred or contempt or excites or attempts to excite disaffection towards the government establishment by law in India shall be punished with imprisonment for life, and to which fine may also be added.
Which means, as per the 124A of Indian Penal Code, whoever, be it any Indian citizen, by words either spoken or written or by signs, not only words, not only limited in words, or by signs or by visual representation or otherwise, brings or attempts to brings into hatred, any kind of hatred or contempt, or excites to excite disaffection towards the government establishment. That means, unlike contempt of court, this is for any government official. So to put it straight, any individual person disrespecting the government, then that particular person will be charged for sedation. Now, sedation is not only by words, it can also be by sign, also by written or spoken words, and sedation can also be with visual representations. So if any individual citizen tries to contempt or tries to disaffectionate the government establishment, then by the law of India, that particular person shall be punished with imprisonment for life. Mind it, if as a citizen disrespects the government, then the particular citizen will be punished or shall be punished for imprisonment of life, and a fine may also be added. So be careful. Now moving on to the explanation part, the first explanation as stated over here is expression includes disloyalty, and the second one goes like comments expressing disapprobation, that means dislike of the measures of the government with a view to obtain their alteration by lawful means. So as per this two explanation of this act, any person can express their includes of disloyalty before charging the sedition case. And the next explanation part is comments expressing disapprobation of the measures of the government with views to obtain their alternation of lawful means. So with that, we are completing this short video of sedation. Sedation is basically very easy, and to conclude it, sedation means disrespecting the government official or the government establishments. Hey you guys, thanks for watching this video. Keep supporting At Ease No Media.